It's a miracle. Lots of miracles happening. Me in the kitchen is a miracle itself. But I made hummus. I made hummus. I made it and it tastes good. So I put it in a whole wheat wrap to take with me because I'm going to be gone all day. And after being in the kitchen all morning, I realized I needed to bring something else with me. So I did a peanut butter and jelly wrap. And actually, it's almond butter and natural, everything's all, plant based. So, and then I'll have the pasta when I get home with the sauce I made earlier. This is just crazy that I'm even cooking, that I'm in the kitchen, and that I want to. I never wanted to do this before. But then learning about plant-based foods and how good they are and healthy, it's exciting. It's something new and wonderful, and I feel great. And thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna go line dance now. Bye.